Despite women being plausibly different in every conceivable way, there are some tried and tested ways to make your girl want you even more. How to get a girl to fall and remain in love with you. It takes a lot of sacrifice in order to make a relationship work, especially at a time when quick fixes are the norm. Therefore, something as little as showing appreciation for your girl might go a long way in making things work out between the two of you, even if things seem to be falling apart. Without further ado, here are some of the things you can do for your girl in a bid to keep the fire burning. 1. Complimenting your girl regularly will make her want you. Okay, so we all know that it takes a century for your girl to put on her makeup and another century to do her hair. It also sounds close to miraculous how she fits into her jeans just so she could look good when both of you are going out on a date. Truth be told, your girl does a lot of things to keep you interested in her, and, more often than not, these things go unnoticed. So, as a man who is interested in making his girl fall in love with him over and over again and hence keeping the relationship afloat, you should learn how to appreciate and compliment her. Are her and her hairdo looking like $1,000,000? It wouldn't hurt to let her know. Women are emotional beings and they need assurance, and that is exactly what you should do for your girl so she will want you forever. Just make sure that you aren't exaggerating things, because women can smell a fraud from a mile away. 2. Your girl will want you more if you listen to her regularly. As mentioned above, your girl really goes through a lot, and, since she is a superwoman, she often manages it even without your help. In fact, all that your girl might be asking from you is a listening ear. So when your girl comes to you to complain about her best friend Keisha, who stole her hairdo, as boring as it may sound, just listen. By doing so, you will be offloading a lot of pressure from your girl and she will be forever grateful. Who knows, just listening to her complain about seemingly girly issues might go a mile in saving your relationship. Not listening to her on a regular basis might make her emotional, and, like it or not, your girl might just end up finding someone who will listen to her and her problems. And, trust me, there are about a gazillion other guys who are willing to listen to her rumble all day long while giving her a foot massage. Don't believe me? Well, try checking her DMs and be mesmerized. That said, try listening to her even if you don't feel like it, and you'll make her want you. 3. Make your girl your #1 priority and she will want you even more. Someone said that chivalry is dead, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't go all 1956 on your girl. It wouldn't hurt if you open doors and pull chairs for her. Even if you just argued and are still bitter, put a coat over her shoulders the moment it starts snowing or raining. The whole point of doing this is making sure that your girl feels wanted. If your girl feels wanted, she will want you right back, and that is how your relationship will withstand the test of time. In addition to that, make sure that you are taking care of her emotional needs and putting her before any other women in your life. This will most certainly make your girl feel pretty lucky to have someone like you, making her fall deeper into the rabbit hole of love with you. So, if it's true that chivalry died, then it's about time you looked for a necromancer to sort you out. Just kidding. No black magic here, please. 4. Your girl will love you if you stay cleaned up. Research says that women are attracted to natural musk, but that doesn't excuse you from taking a shower every once in a while. Even if you don't like trimming that beard once in a while, just do it for your relationship. As a man, you not only have to take care of your woman's emotional needs, but also of her physical needs as well. Take time to iron that shirt and polish your shoes, because your shoes are the first thing your girl looks at, and if they aren't clean, she won't be happy with you. If you don't know a thing or two about cleaning up, it's never too late to try. Just make sure that you sign up for online classes, or, if not, make Google your friend. I'm sure that if you ask your girl for help, she will be more than glad to help, because when you look good, your girl earns the compliment. So, dear men, it doesn't hurt to give your girl some street cred, as it will make her want you even more. You want her to want you, right? The obvious answer is yes, so start working on your cleanliness. 5. Serenade your girl out of the blue. If you choose to doubt the power of using music to make your girl want you, then look at the music industry today. The likes of Trey Songz, Chris Brown, Miguel, Neo and August Alsina, just to mention a few, have been known to drive women across the globe crazy. And why is that? Because romantic music vocals speak directly to a girl and her soul. You might want to apply for singing lessons in order to save your girl and relationship as a whole. Learn how to place emotional tunes with a guitar or piano. If not, then try your best to captivate your girl with some remarkably hot vocals. Hit those high notes and you will definitely get her eating from the palm of your hands, making her want you even more. Not all of us were born crooners, but thankfully we can learn from time to time, making us feel like we won a lottery in the end. Remember, you don't have to be as good as Chris Brown, just don't croak like a frog man. There is a clear difference between croon and croak. 6. She will want you more if you are a clown. No, don't go painting your face if that was the first thing that came to your mind. What I mean by being a clown is just about being funny and fun to be around. Your girl will never fall in love with you if you are the kind to take life too seriously. Ever heard the catchphrase, "All girls just want to have fun"? Well, there is nothing truer than this, especially when it comes to your relationship between you and that girl you'd like to refer to as the one from time to time. That said, it is imperative for you to try and learn a couple of jokes and funny stories. The good thing about being funny is that you don't have to be a natural. It all starts with seeing the goodness in every situation and just being honest about it. It's all about having positive, cheerful vibes that will make your girl and your relationship thrive. Cracking jokes and clowning around will give your girl the much-needed emotional boost and make her want you, both during the good times and the bad times.